So hello guys, welcome to the channel back. So guys, this is my another series of laptop. Yeah, you can tell it as PC also, but this is my laptop. I'm recording this from laptop, and the app which I am using is iPhone screen recorder. App is name, and today I will show a paint which is better than the normal paint. That paint name is 3D some sort of paint 3D. So guys, now what is the version? I will right click and no, I don't want to uninstall. I want to go to settings. Where is settings here? App setting. Now let's check its version. Okay, paint 3D. Now let us see what is the version. Okay, so guys, this is 6.1907.29,027.0. So guys, you can see the publisher is Microsoft Corporation. App 0 bits, data 546 MB, total usage 546 MB. So guys, now let's go into that app. That is too interesting, and you can also make the drawing of Minecraft houses. Okay, now I am to PAINT paint 3D. Enter. So this is our paint 3D, and you can get something rarely. The rare thing is that, okay, I got the rare thing. See guys, the rare thing is on the top of the screen. That rare name is 3D library. From here only you can make Minecraft houses and lots of things. You can take here dinosaur. If you want to fish dinosaur, then you want to click dinosaur. See, shark, whale, very many things are coming. It's not shark, whale. See, these are all dinosaurs. Or else I want to come out of the dinosaur here. Now I can make of space also. Realistic color, best of Minecraft. This best of Minecraft is the Minecraft houses. See, jungle temple, Dabdon, clock tower, very many things are there. Oh my god, here is also some sort of dangerous and strange looking houses. This is made up of skull, and this is like any mansion. If I will click any of that will be appearing on my screen. Oh my god, this is a mansion. Sand, wood, I think that they are quartz. And in the top of where my mouse pointer is going, that is iron block. And here is leaf. Yeah, but I want to right click and delete. Now that is gone. Now guys, I will show you the paints which I have made. And guys, if you want to get this 3D library rarely every time, so you want once 3D library once time, what you want to do to get 3D library unlimited time? First is you want to get a 3D library already. So you want to click on 3D library just and go to the menu, then new. Don't save. I am not saving, but see, new paint. I have not saved it, but see, then also 3D library is coming. This is rarely. You can get this as usual, but you want to get once. And see, here is a village also, but I don't think any villager is there. Let us check. Yeah, some villagers are there. Okay, some no, very many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 villagers are spotted. Now I have made some drawings which I will show you with the help of 3D library. I mean, that is useful. That takes one of the space. Don't save please. Loading project. Let us meet after the loading project. From 10 minutes I am waiting, but yeah, because this would be taking a lot of time. Okay, when Oh my god, guys, this is the drawing which I have made the help of with the help of 3D library, and I have gone into space. SPAC. Hey, wait. Why I am here? Here I am too. And see, here is space. If I'll click this, now see the space things are available. I have used Rator UFO, astronaut I have not used actually, but space shuttle and all the planets I have used, and some of that, where is it, satellite and international space station. And guys, you can make some of this like hey wait, where is it project? Okay, I can take a new. Okay guys, actually I have get another time because that was the trick. Now what I was telling, you can go to 3D shapes. Yeah, this 3D shapes is a better shape, you can tell, because here you can make a man. You want to click there and just as like, wait, 3D shapes again. I am choosing the man, then I want to do just left click and do this. See, you can make man sort of things. Okay, enter. Okay, this would be not entering. And you can make a dog, cat and fish. So guys, with the help of these things, I have made a project. That is this. Don't save. I think already my laptop has covered 100 GB. Yeah, I think. Let us meet after loading project. This circle going ting 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 ting. I mean this rotating on the screen. Small balls are rotating. Yeah. Now this is the things. Now I will tell what options I have used. I have used two options. First is 3D shapes. I mean, from here I can take man, girl, dog, cat. But I have used cat and fish and man and girl. Okay, 220 lakh rupees. Yeah. And the second option is stickers. And in stickers you can take a lot of things like this smiley sort of thing, but I have used this one, textures. I have not used that stickers. In sticker option there are textures and stickers also, but this texture I have used. I have used gravel and sand to make this. I want to click on this, then simply do this. Now this is too big. Now what I can do just, okay, I don't want to do that. Do just this, and see the gravel is here, and I can make stamps. Mean that would be there, but any one more have been in that shape. And in sand I can make a sand also. Sand, click, and you take the here, and you be as like this, and you be here. Stamp, and here tick. Tick means that would be pasted there. So guys, this was the interesting 3D paint. So guys, for this video, this much only. Till then, take care everyone, and bye bye.